Person for the ISSA Netball or for ISSA Netball, Erica Eubanks is calling the recent concluded season a success following Hurricane Melissa. Some schools were unable to rejoin the competition after the extended break due to the devastating impacts or effects of the hurricane, but Eubanks thinks the restart was necessary.
No, we know that we were hampered by rain and the hurricane, but because the students needed to showcase their talent, they were resilient, and we saw it fit at ISSA to continue the competition. I must say we are sad because some schools really didn't join us back, and we can understand because of the damages they had. But the others who were prepared, they came out and they did an excellent job. It was a ding-dong battle. And you know that only champions come to finals, and they are true champions. All top four that made it, they are champions, and we're happy for that. It's a good look for netball, and we're happy that we ended successfully.
Eubanks is hoping the schools that could not return will be able to recover in time for next year.
You had some schools like Herbert Morrison from the West, all the schools in the West. Some did not rejoin us because of the difficulties they had. You know, it went down there and damaged a lot of schools, and so they could not regroup and come back to play. So we're looking forward to having them next year because they are great teams, and we're looking forward for them to be in the competition next year.
In the Urban Era Finals, Gainstead secured the senior title as Wolmer's retained the junior crown, while the Rural Era Under-19 title went to Homewood Technical, while Denby High were Under-16 champions. Both teams were also All-Ireland Under-19 and Under-16 winners.